Have you ever heard of the Bermuda Triangle? It's a mysterious patch of the Atlantic Ocean, roughly bordered by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades it's been blamed for the strange disappearance of countless ships and planes. But is there really a dark force at work, or is there a more logical explanation? The legend of the Bermuda Triangle really took off in the mid-20th century. People started connecting a series of unexplained incidents in the area, creating a narrative of a paranormal hotspot. One of the most famous cases is the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers vanished during a routine training mission. Even more bizarre, a rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared without a trace. Then there's the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that vanished in 1918 with over 300 people on board. No distress call, no wreckage, just gone. These stories, and many others like them, have fueled theories about everything from alien abductions and portals to another dimension, to strange energy fields from the lost city of Atlantis. It's the kind of stuff that keeps you up at night, right? But let's pump the brakes for a second and look at the facts. Scientists and investigators have a very different take on the Bermuda Triangle. First off, this area is one of the most heavily trafficked shipping lanes in the world. With more ships and planes, it's statistically more likely that accidents will happen there. It's also a region known for its extreme and unpredictable weather. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current, can create sudden violent storms. Hurricanes are also very common in this part of the Atlantic. These storms can generate massive waves, often called rogue waves, that can easily swallow even large ships whole. What about the magnetic anomalies people talk about? It's true that the Earth's magnetic field can be a bit quirky in this area. It's one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, which could have confused early navigators who relied on compasses. However, modern navigation technology isn't affected by this, and while there are some magnetic variations on the ocean floor, they aren't strong enough to pull a plane out of the sky or interfere with modern electronics. Another popular theory involves methane gas. The idea is that huge bubbles of methane gas could erupt from the ocean floor, suddenly lowering the water density and causing ships to sink in an instant. While methane hydrates do exist on the seabed, there is no solid evidence that a gas eruption of this scale has happened in recent history or that it is responsible for any of the recorded disappearances. So, when you look closely, many of the so-called mysterious disappearances aren't so mysterious after all. Investigations have shown that many incidents were likely caused by human error, equipment failure, or severe weather. Some of the most famous stories have even been exaggerated over the years. For example, some ships and planes reported to have vanished in the triangle were actually lost far outside its boundaries, and in some cases, wreckage was eventually found, but those updates never became as famous as the initial mystery. The U.S. Coast Guard and other official bodies don't recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a specific region of hazard. They point out that the number of incidents in the area is not significantly higher than in any other part of the ocean with similar levels of traffic and weather conditions. The legend, it seems, is more a product of sensational journalism, books, and TV shows than of any real paranormal activity. It's a fascinating story, but one built on a shaky foundation. So, what's the final verdict? While the idea of a supernatural vortex is thrilling, the evidence overwhelmingly points to a combination of natural phenomena, human factors, and a healthy dose of myth-making. The Bermuda Triangle is a powerful reminder of nature's force and the dangers of the open sea, but it's probably not a portal to another dimension. What do you think? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.